this can happen on occasion. You're riding along and you hit a bump or you start shifting the bike and then all of a sudden, boom, your chain falls off of the front around the chain ring. It can happen. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. It's perfectly okay. It's a common issue. And basically what that's telling me is that your chain guide is out of alignment. Now, the chain guide is comprised of two pieces. It's this outer ring here, and it's this inner hook right there. And basically, what these two pieces do is they create a box that prevents your chain from either falling inside towards the middle of the bike or outside away from the bike. So in this case, you want about 1 millimeter from the inside and 1 millimeter from the top, this chain guide, okay? So first thing we're gonna do is we're going to shift the bike into the lowest gear. Okay? And that will help force the chain line to be as far out as possible, so when we're adjusting it, we're compensating it at this extreme here. So we're gonna take a Phillips screwdriver and we're just gonna loosen this little screw. Don't take it out, just loosen it. And then we're gonna rotate again so that the chain guide is about 1 mil from the inside and then 1 mil from the top of the chain. Just like that. And now you'll notice that this box that we've created, it's not wide enough for the chain to fall out of. We're gonna take our Phillips and we're gonna tighten this up again. And then we're just gonna give our bike a little pedal and just make sure that it's not rubbing. Yeah, just like that.